Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and for today's video guys, at bago natin simulan ang ating video guys, at yun na nga guys, I'm back guys. Pasensya na guys kung medyo hindi na ako nag-upload ng mga vlog or videos guys this past few days guys, kasi medyo may ginagawa ako guys. Pasensya na talaga guys kasi medyo hindi na ako nag-upload ng mga video dito sa aking YouTube channels. But I'm here guys, I'm back again, at yun na nga, for today's video guys, pag-usapan natin ngayon, mag-usap lang tayo ngayon, at yun na nga, for today's video, ang pag-usapan natin ay ang 2023 Video Music Award. At speaking of VMA, ang VMA ay mangyayari na bukas, September 12, 2023. At to everyone who doesn't know, na I'm a fan of Taylor Swift. At yun na nga guys, bago natin simulan ang aking video, at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, ay huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang like and share, at pwede ka ring mag-comment down below kung anong gusto mong mga video na pwede kong gagawin guys. Na you are free to comment down below guys kung anong mga video ang gusto nyong ipagawa sa akin guys. I will try to do it guys. At yun na nga, kung bago ka rin sa aking YouTube channel, ay huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang subscribe, at of course huwag nyo rin kalimutang i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga past at recent videos na aking upload dito sa aking YouTube channel guys. At yun na nga guys, I'm back on YouTube guys, and let's start the video guys. At yun na nga guys, speaking of 2023 Video Music Award, Taylor Swift received 8 nominations including Video of the Year, Artist of the Year, Song of the Year, Best Pop, Best Direction, Best Cinematography, Best Visual Effects, and lastly, Taylor Swift is nominated for Best Editing. At yun nga, guys, si Taylor Swift ay naka-receive ng 8 nomination for this year's Video Music Award. Siya, for this year's Video Music Award ay si Taylor Swift ang may pinakamaraming nomination for this year's Video Music Award. Speaking of Video Music Awards, speaking of 2023 Video Music Award nomination, nominated rin si Taylor Swift for this year's VMA for Artist of the Year. At ang makakalaban ni Taylor Swift sa category ng Artist of the Year ay si Beyonce, Doja Cat, Karol G, Nicki Minaj, and Shakira. At yun nga, ang pag-usapan natin ay natin kung ano yung prediction ko, kung sino ba ang mananalo sa category na ito na Artist of the Year, kung mananalo ba dito si Taylor Swift, or mananalo ba dito si Beyonce, si Doja Cat, si Karol G, si Shakira, and lastly, kung mananalo ba dito sa category na ito si Nicki Minaj. Kaya yan ang titingnan natin guys, kung mananalo ba si Taylor Swift. For me guys, this is my prediction guys. For me guys, deserve talaga ni Taylor Swift na manalo sa category ng Artist of the Year guys. Kasi para sa akin guys, ay as a fan of Taylor Swift guys, I will be happy guys kapag nanalo siya sa category na ito guys na Artist of the Year guys. I'm pretty sure guys marami talaga ang mapapanalunan ni Taylor Swift for this year's Video Music Award guys, kasi yun nga, nominated si Taylor Swift na ay naka-receive siya ng 8 nomination for this year's Video Music Award guys. And speaking of that guys, sa category na Artist of the Year guys, para sa akin talaga guys ay deserve talaga ni Taylor Swift na manalo sa category na Artist of the Year guys. Magaling naman si Beyonce guys, sila Doja Cat, sila Karol G, sila Nicki Minaj, of course si Shakira. Napaka-talented nila, but as a fan of Taylor Swift guys ay nominated nga siya dito guys sa Artist of the Year guys. At for me guys, I deserve talaga niya guys na manalo sa category na ito guys na Artist of the Year guys. Kaya yan talaga ang dapat nating abangan bukas guys, September 12, 2023 guys. And also, speaking of for this year's 2023 Video Music Awards ay ang dapat din nating abangan kung I'm pretty sure na a-attend talaga si Taylor Swift for this year's Video Music Award guys. But from now on guys, wala pang confirmation guys kung attend ba talaga si Taylor Swift guys, but I'm pretty sure guys na attend talaga si Taylor Swift na Video Music Awards. At yun nga, at ang dapat rin nating abangan kung anong susuotin ni Taylor Swift for this year's Video Music Award guys, kasi kapag si Taylor Swift ay umattend ng isang award show ay hindi talaga siya nagpapatalo, speaking of her outfit guys or dress for that night guys. Kaya yan rin dapat ang abangan natin guys, kung besides of dapat rin nating abangan kung mananalo ba talaga kung mananalo ba talaga si Taylor Swift ng award for this year's Video Music Award guys. As a fan of Taylor Swift guys, ay magiging masaya talaga ako guys kapag nanalo siya na sa category na Artist of the Year guys. It really makes me happy guys kapag nanalo talaga siya sa category na ito guys. Kaya yan ang dapat nating abangan bukas, September 12, 2023 guys, ang 2023 Video Music Award guys. Kaya akalain nyo guys na for this year's Video Music Award guys ay naka-receive si Taylor Swift ng 8 nomination guys, at siya and for this year's Video Music Award guys, siya ang most nominated female guys for this year's Video Music Award guys. Kaya I'm pretty sure talaga guys na manalo siya ng award for this year's Video Music Award. At sa category naman na Artist of the Year guys, I believe guys na mananalo talaga siya sa category na ito guys. At yun na nga guys, dito na nagtatapos ang ating video. For today's video ay pinag-usapan lang natin ang 2023 Video Music Award at ang mga nomination ni Taylor Swift for this year's Video Music Award. At yun na, naka-receive siya ng 8 nomination for this year's Video Music Award guys. Kaya yun talaga ang dapat natin abangan bukas guys, kung manalo ba siya siya ng award guys. At of course, kung mananalo ba siya sa category na Artist of the Year guys. At yun na nga guys, bago natin tapusin ating video guys, pasensya na guys kung this past few days guys or months guys ay medyo hindi na ako nag-upload ng mga video guys, but I'm still here guys. I will still here guys making video guys na nagpapasalamat ako guys na dito pa rin kayo guys sumusuporta sa akin guys. Thank you so much guys, kahit na medyo hindi na ako nag-upload ng mga video guys, but I'm here now guys. I'm back guys. I promise guys na gagawa tayo ng mga panibagong video guys. Yun lamang guys, dito na nagtatapos sa ating video. At kung bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel ay huwag mong kalimutan i-click ang like, share, and of course huwag nyo rin kalimutan i-click ang subscribe at ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga past at recent videos na aking upload dito sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video guys. Goodbye.